Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Infinite Learnopedia. In this video, I will share how to start Google Meet from Google Classroom through laptop. Follow the same steps to start Google Meet from Google Classroom with the help of mobile. So steps are same if you use mobile or laptop. Only view in laptop is different. Let's get started. Open your browser and sign in into your Gmail account. Next step is click on Google Apps option and open Google Classroom. This is my Google Classroom. If you are new to my channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Now let's continue. Now we are in Google Classroom. To start a meet from Google Classroom, first step is to select your classroom of which you want to start Google Meet. To conduct Google Meet, select your classroom. For example, I will select one of my class. And next step is to use Google Meet link which is enabled in the Google Classroom. So this is the Meet link enabled by me, that is by the owner or teacher of the classroom. You can use this Meet option. You can use this Google Meet link. If you are new to the Google Classroom and don't know how to generate this Meet link, shall give link of playlist of Google Classroom and how to generate Google Meet link in Classroom in the description box. Do watch that videos to know about Google Classroom. Now to start Meet, click on this link. Next step is you can on and off microphone and camera. Google can ask you before a startup or by yourself you can off these two options and you can on whenever it is necessary. Google Meet has a new look and feel as it is updated. At times you will find that look and feel of Google Meet is different. The reason is it is updated. Towards the right side, click on Join Now option to start a meet. These are the simple steps you can use to start a Google Meet from Google Classroom. If you want to know more about Google Meet, I do have video on Google Meet, how to start and use Google Meet on laptop as well as mobile. I will add link of videos based on Google Meet. If my video helped you to learn about Google Classroom and Google Meet, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share with your friends. And let me know your views and thoughts in the comments box below. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.